Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Study Code. It is 9 a.m., which means it's time for your daily dose of vocabulary with me. The session is going to be under 5 minutes, and the words you're going to see here are taken from the Hindu. So, if you have yet not subscribed to our channel, make sure to do so. And do not forget to hit on that tiny bell near it so that every day when this session comes, you all get notified and you also start your morning with this dose, and so that the entire day of yours go as planned and with the same kind of energy and boost. With that being said, let's start with the first word for today. The first word that we're going to discuss today is indolence. Indolence means the state of showing no real interest or effort. So you're basically being very lazy. Here, the picture will make it very clear. Here, you could see a lazy or a lousy cat, and it is lying on the couch. So, it is not showing any interest or effort whatsoever in moving or doing any kind of activity. The sentence is the people feel trapped between the indolence and apathy of the authorities and fear of criminals. Okay, it's a very good sentence, and a word that we see here is apathy. It is also a different kind of word. So you're going to tell me the meaning of this word in the comment section. Let's see how many of you guys know the meaning and how many of you guys participate also in this session. Participation is very, very important. So do not be an indolence here. Okay. The synonyms are sloth, shiftlessness, lethargy, and soothness. Here, the last word and lethargy are also different. So I'll star mark them. So pay extra attention on them. The antonyms here are ambitious and industrious, and which I hope that all of you are already. Next word that we're going to discuss is quell. Quell means to end something. So you're trying to put a stop on particular thing. Here it could be anything as you're overeating, over stressing. Okay, so all of these things you can quell and put an end on. The example here says she tried to quell his rising anger. So she tried to put an end or put a stop to the rising anger. The synonyms are subdue, crush, and suppress. Very easy. Antonyms here are help and assist. Simple. Next word that we have is uninhabited. Uninhabited means without becoming weaker. Okay. So you're not getting stronger here. Okay. Don't mix it with that. It means without becoming weaker. So you're not weakening up. You're at that same particular place where you are. Okay. The example states the storm continued uninhabited, destroying all the crops. So it continued without becoming weaker and it destroyed all the crops. Here, the image that we have chosen is a little bit different. Here, you could see pollution. Okay, it is the pollution coming out of an industry or a factory, and at the particular rate that it is uninhabited. Even after a lot of COPs and a lot of discussion between a lot of countries, this pollution is not stopping, or also you can say the use of fossil fuels is not reducing. Okay, it's uninhabited and it is at the same state. Coming to the synonyms, we have incessant, then we have non-stop and persistent. Okay, the antonyms here are relenting and surrendering. Next word we have is tranquility. Tranquility means a peaceful, calm state without noise, violence, worry, etc. So you are at a very calm state or calm space. Here, the picture says that you're meditating. That means you're at a very calm state without any noise, without any disturbance or worry. So when you meditate, you actually reach to that particular state. The example says, our holidays soon passed in a haze of peace and tranquility. Here, haze is also a different word. Okay, so let's see how many of you are gonna answer the meaning of it. If not, check the comments. I leave the answers there for all of you. Next, we have the synonyms, which are restfulness, serenity, quietness, and sereneness. Then the antonyms are unreasonable, passive. Okay. Next word that we're going to discuss is invocation. Invocation means the act of asking for help, especially from God, law, or a person in authority. So you're trying to take the help of somebody which is at a higher authority. The act of referring to something or calling or for something to appear. So you're asking for help, that something would come up and help you appear from somewhere. The example says here, the parliament will be fully involved in any decision on invocation of the safeguard clauses, so as to they're gonna be involved in any need that could be required related to your safeguard clauses here. The synonyms are conjuration, conjuring, and conjury. The antonyms are revocation. Okay, a little bit different. The word is also a little bit different here. Okay, so make sure to pay extra attention on this one. Next word that we have is endo. Endo means to give a large sum of money to a school or a college or another institution. The sentence says he was a man who was not endowed with intelligence. So he was not given with a lot of intelligence also. Okay, you're making a hair, like, here the sentence is a little bit different. It means he's not given. Okay, so you could also make given, supply, provided, like the synonyms. Synonyms are provide, supply, and equip, and the antonyms are condemned and deprived. Next, we have the word mayhem. Mayhem means confusion or fear, usually caused by some sudden shocking event. A mayhem kind of activity could occur in a country if the political power is not at a very stable state, okay, or if the country is going through a war also. Here, the sentence says the early monsoon created mayhem in the coastal states. So it was a, a kind of hazard that happened, a climatic hazard that happened, and it caused a mayhem. So it caused a state of confusion and fear throughout the place. The synonyms are tumult, chaos, disorder, and bedlam. Here, first one and the last one are different, and I'll star mark them. The antonyms are ease and harmony. Next, we have the word for the day. I hope you'll answer the meaning of this particular word and answer all the questions that we asked during this particular session in the comment section. Make sure to participate as much as possible. If you have any kind of feedback, make sure to mention it in the comments so that we can work towards that. And if you like this session, make sure to like this, hit on the like button in the comments, participate, subscribe to our channel. And if you want the PDF of this particular session, that you can find it on our Telegram channel. So make sure to join that too. With that, I'll end the session here. Thank you for watching.